Hello class, welcome back to this interesting channel. Today we are going to be solving integration, but this time around we have an exponential and what? A trigonometry, which is equal to sine 2x. So let's solve it. Solution. So to solve this, there is an important method which we call the integration by parts. So we are going to use integration by part, but before that, let's say let the integral itself e to the power of what? 3x sine 2x dx. Let's assume it to be equal to I. You get it? So using the integration by part, using integration by part, which says integral of u dv is equals to uv minus integral of what? V du. You get it? So we are going to say let u be equal to what? E to the power of what? 3x, and our dv, that will be equals to what? Sine 2x. So du, that is, we are going to differentiate u with respect to x. Du is going to give us what? We differentiate the power, bring it down, so it is going to be 3e to the power of what? 3x dx. Here we are going to have integral of dv is going to be what? Integral of what? Sine 2x dx. Therefore our v now, the integral of dv is v, so the integral of sine 2x is going to give us minus cos what? 2x all over 2. You get it? So we are going to apply it here, and u dv, just like we applied here, we said that it is going to be I is equal to what? uv minus integral of what? V du, because we said here is u and let dv be this. You get it? And we say let the whole thing be equal to I. You get it? So that's the reason why we are having I is equal to uv minus integral of v du. So let's put the variables we differentiated here. So we are going to have I is equals to my u now is what? E to the power of 3x. My v now is now what? Minus cos 2x. I'll bring the cos out, dot what? Cos 2x all over 2 minus integral. So my v now is what? This minus cos 2x all over 2 dot, and my du is equal to what? 3e to the power of x. So we are going to have what? 3e to the power of 3x dx. You get it? So in that case, we are going to have I is equals to minus 1 over 2 e to the power of 3x cos 2x minus times minus is plus. 3 and 2 can come down, sorry, it can come out, so we have integral of what? I'll start by writing this e to the power of 3x cos 2x dx. You get it? So if you look at it very well, this is an integral, but in this time around it has cos, not sine, from just like the equation. So let's let this to be what? Our equation 1. So we are going to bring this out, then we'll solve it separately before putting the answer of this in equation 1. So the integral of what? E to the power of 3x cos 2x dx. We can also use the integration by part. Let u be equals to e to the power of what? 3x, and our dv to be equals to what? Cos 2x. So differential of this is going to give us what? Du is what? 3e to the power of 3x dx. And here we have integral of dv, integral of what? Cos 2x dx. So in that case, using also uv minus integral of v du, as the case may be, our u now is this, e to the power of 3x. Our v now, okay, so to finalize the v, integral of dv here is v. The integral of this is going to give us what? Sine what? 2x all over 2. You get it? There is no minus here since it is cos. So the integral, so my v now is now what? Dot sine 2x all over 2 minus integral. So my v now is now going to be what? Sine 2x all over 2, and my du is now what? 3 e to the power of what? 3x dx. So we are now going to have e to the power of 3x dot sine 2x all over 2 minus 3 and 2 will go out. Integral, I'll start by writing this, e to the power of 3x sine 2x dx. So if you look at it from the main equation, we said let this be this, and if you look at it, this one is equals to I. So in that case, we can say we now have a, we can now say we have e to the power of what? 3x dot sine 2x over 2 minus 3 over 2. Since everything here we say let it to be I, so here we are going to have I. So in that case, the integral of e to the power of 3x cos 2x dx is now going to be e to the power of what? 3x sine 2x all over 2 minus 3 over 2i. So we are going to substitute this, let's call it equation 2. So we are going to what? Put equation 2 in equation 1. So where is our equation 1 now? So I'm going to write the equation 1, which is I is equals to minus 1 over 2 e to the power of 3x cos 2x plus 3 over 2 integral e to the power of 3x cos 2x dx. You see it? So this is our equation 1. So in place of this, you get it, I'll substitute this here. So now we are going to have my I is equals to minus 1 over 2 e to the power of 3x cos 2x plus 3 over 2, then I'll put a bracket. So we are going to have this e to the power of 3x sine 2x all over 2 minus 3 over 2i. You get it? So we are going to have my I is minus 1 over 2 e to the power of 3x cos 2x. You see, this time this, we are going to have plus 3 over 4 e to the power of 3x sine 2x, plus times minus is minus 3 times 3 over 2 times 3 over 2. We have 9 over 4i. You get it? So this is negative. Once it crosses here, it becomes what? Plus 9 all over 4i. So I can start by writing this. This is positive 3 over 4 e to the power of 3x sine 2x minus 1 over 2 e to the power of 3x cos 2x. You get it? So in that case, we can try and avoid the let's say multiply 2 by the highest denominator, which is 4. So we are going to have 4i minus 4.9i by 4 is equals to 4.3 all over 4 e to the power of 3x sine 2x, get it, minus 4.1 over 2 e to the power of 3x cos what? 2x. You see, so this will go, 2 here 1, we have 2 here 2. So we now have 4i, okay, this is plus, you see, I plus this, 4i plus 9i is 3e to the power of what? 3x sine 2x minus 2 e to the power of 3x cos 2x. You get it? So 4i plus 9i is going to give us 13i, which is equals to 3 e to the power of what? 3x sine 2x minus 2e to the power of 3x cos 2x. So let's divide both sides by 13. So this will go, so therefore our I now is now going to be 1 over 13 bracket 3e to the power of 3x sine 2x minus 2e to the power of 3x cos 2x plus c. So this is going to be our final answer. See, by 13, this is going to be what? 1 all over 13, 3e to the power of 3x sine 2x minus 2 e to the power of what? 3x cos 2x.